Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to record your own voice on the iPhone or iPad. So the app you want to look for is Voice Memos. It should be installed on your iPhone by default. If you can't see the application, you want to go all the way to the left and find the app library and search out Voice Memos. Here it is. And what you want to do is you want to open it up. And then you want to press this red dot at the bottom of the iPhone and record your voice. So anything you say now will be recorded. And once you've stopped, you can press this little stop button here to stop the recording. You can rename the recording. You can press these three little bars here at the bottom left, and you can enhance it. You can skip silence sections, you can speed it up or slow it down, whichever way you want to go. You can also press these three little dots within the circle. You can copy it, share it, you can do many other things. You can also edit recording. So you can replace sections or you can go right to the end. And then resume. So if you press resume, it'll then start recording to the end of that last recording. Then you can pause it. Then you can press done. And that bit will be added to that recording. And if you don't want the recording, you can press the bin icon in the bottom right hand corner to delete the recording. Now if you ever change your mind, you don't want to delete it, you can come back and select recently deleted. Then select that and recover it. And then recover recording. So that's how to record your own voice on your iPhone or iPad. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.